Hey, today, I've got something cool to share with you. A way to get paid just by watching videos. No kidding! So here's the deal. There's this website I want you to check out. It's completely free, no need to invest anything up front. You can actually make money from the site by taking surveys, playing games, watching videos, and more. But let's focus on the video watching part because it's the easiest and lucrative option. Before we go any further into this video, welcome to Cash Money Ideas. Here, we will show you the most up-to-date making money online ideas, tips, and tricks. Please subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and press the notification bell so you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And lastly, don't forget to leave a comment below. We'd love to hear your thoughts. Now let's get back to the video. For each video you watch, they'll pay you 75 cents. Watch 4 videos and you'll earn $3. Want to level up? Well, later in the video, I'll spill the beans on how you can increase your earnings tenfold. Oh, and the best part is, when you sign up for this site, they'll give you a sweet $1 bonus. Just fill in your first name, email, username, and create a password. Select your country from the drop-down menu. It's open to folks from all around the world. Once you're signed up, check the box to agree to their privacy policy and hit that sign up button. Now you're ready to rock! Log into your brand new account on gg2u.org. That's the name of the website we're talking about. This is your dashboard, and hey, they've already credited me with $1 bonus. Nice! Now take a look at the section where you can explore companies and their offers. These are legit companies from all over the world, and completing their offers can make you some serious dough. But remember, we're focusing on watching videos because it's the easiest gig in town. To make money by watching videos, click on the Videos section. I'll take you to a page where every 200 points you earn will get you a silver token worth $1 to $3. That's like 1.5 cents per point. Plus, you'll score around 50 points for watching a single video. That means you're making 75 cents per video. Watch 4 videos and you've got yourself $3. Easy peasy. The cool thing is, they've got all sorts of videos for you to enjoy. Sweets, music, celebs, viral stuff, gaming, you name it. Just click on the category you're into and bam! You're watching a video. By watching this very video, you're already earning 50 points, which is like 75 cents in your pocket. Before we continue, I'll give you some time to subscribe to the channel and give it a big thumbs up. If you loved this video so far and found the content interesting and informative, please leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. Now let's get back to the video. Now here's a neat trick to maximize your earnings. Open up 10 different videos on different tabs, all at the same time. The more videos you watch, the more money you make. If you've got extra phones or laptops lying around, fire them up and play different videos simultaneously. That way, you're making the most of it. You don't even have to actively watch the videos. Just let them play in the background while you're doing other stuff. Oh, and a little pro tip, switch the video quality to 240p. It'll save you data and boost your speed, giving you the highest earning potential. But hey, let's keep it real. This method alone might not replace your day job, so I recommend exploring other side hustles too. Check out this other video I've got where you can learn how to make even more money just by watching ads. So, there you have it! An awesome way to earn some extra cash while chilling and watching videos. Have fun and happy earning! If you love this Make Money Online video and found the content interesting and informative, please like and leave a comment below. We'd love to hear what you have to say. And press the notification bell so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And don't forget to subscribe to Cash Money Ideas. See you in the next video!